go come, enemy go call, I don't know who is who.
Yo, that line, she said family go come, enemy go come, I don't know who is who. Are you crazy? Are you kidding me, bro? That's some real shit right there, bro. Okay. Alright. Oh, what a tag. Beautiful.
Sometimes it feels like success is a trap.
This is the Teni that I love. This is the Teni that I love to hear, man. She's tapping into that inspirational bag. When she's coming with that inspirational bag, her pen game is heavy. Heavy. Okay, I'm excited about this one, man.
But the pressure plenty. And the expectations high.
Bro.
Your day ones were supposed to get your back, sometimes they was the fight. And everybody has an opinion. But now you supposed to live your life.
Facts.
And even people were supposed to show you the way. Now the people they backbite. Don't be pride, don't be ego. Sometimes I gotta stay my mind, sometimes I gotta stay behind, sometimes I will have to say no. Sometimes I gotta throw what out of my head. May this pressure not go drive me insane. So if you see me outside and I not greet you, no.
Wow.
That is also like this.
Okay. Okay, Teni, let's go.
Family go come, enemy go call, I don't know who is who.
Yo, that line, she said family go come, enemy go come, I don't know who is who. Are you crazy? Are you kidding me, bro? That's some real shit right there, bro. Man, okay. Okay. I love that. I love that run. Love that run. Inject it. Inject those harmonies. Let's go. Hi. Hey.
Yeah, cause I put myself first. Whoa, is it any bumpers?
Hey, okay.
It's all love.
Okay.
All love.
Okay.
It's all love.
Okay, let's go, man.
It's all love.
Yes.
My brother, it's all love.
Yes. Mad. Absolutely. Definitely a favorite since for you, for sure. Woke us up a little bit. We're getting to this inspirational bag. Very catchy melody. Very strong performance from her vocally as well. Lyrically, like, bro, songwriting this is a comfort zone. This Teni could definitely like she's an amazing writer. She's shown us that on numerous records before all of this, but I feel like she's definitely in her bag when she gets into this real life material, you know, when she's taken to this real life material about how people set up standards for you and expectations, and then you putting yourself first can be looked at as you being snobbish. Basically, somebody will carry that matter and be saying things about you over that encounter. Very relatable lines over here. The narrative is very strong, and it has this very calm, very soothing atmosphere that we are kind of seeing consistently. It's kind of been chilled and laid back over the course of many of the songs. Other than For You, a lot of the direction here has been really calm production wise, and yeah, this was a definite favorite, man. Hustle for sure, like very relatable record, inspirational as well. Just hustle and get your bag, you know, like Teni is out to write for that particular narrative, and I'm here for it. Next track we have FBI.
Now this hustle like this. Yeah.